show you how you can use ChatGPT to easily create a script that will help you convert Excel to CSV. Now here we have an Excel file. Okay, this file is an Excel file. Now we will convert it to CSV. So let us see how we can write the prompt to convert that. So I will first start with saying write a Python script to convert all Excel files in the current folder to CSV. Let's see if it works. See, it is checking for Excel files using this XLSX, and it is looping through all the files in the directory so that all the files are converted, and then it will end with CSV. Now this is all we need. Now I have already created a empty file excel to csv.python. I'm going to open with a small editor so that nothing is complicated much. So this I will save same exact script without any change. There I'm worried there might be some indentation issue, but yeah, anyway, if it works, it works, otherwise we'll check. Now mind you, the process is almost same in Windows or other operating system. You can open a terminal at the directory. Now if I do ls, you can see there is the Excel file, then there is the CSV file. Okay, now I will Excel file and the Python file. Now I will do Python Excel to CSV. Okay, now I'll execute it. Let's see if it works. So it has completed executing, but there is no output. We can tell it to add output as well. Okay, now see, it has created the CSV file, which is the exactly same file. So CSV doesn't have the formatting and all because it is CSV, but it is the exactly same file. Let's see if it, yes, see, it is the CSV file which is exactly same as, open with, same as the Excel file. Now ignore the data, this data is not relevant, all data will be converted. Now one more thing I want to add to the prompt is output, so, or I can say log all files being converted, so for all input all files and output files being converted and output file. Let's run this now. This should be a little, so it is modifying the previous version. It will just add the logs, I think. Let's see how smart it is. See, it has understood everything. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the script, open with again text editor, simple text editor. I'm going to replace the whole script with the extra lines. Now I'm going to go to the terminal and run the same command again. See, it is now saying converting file this to this. Okay, now if it has multiple files, it is going to do multiple because it has command to read all files. I think that is a little weird. Let's see what has happened. Oh, sorry, I have, instead of copying the Excel file, I've copied the CSV file. Okay, I'll copy the Excel file now. Then run the same command again. So it will log all the files being converted one by one. So that is how you can do it. This is a pretty simple prompt. but there can be complex prompt also. Anyways, I'll still paste this in the description and you can try this. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back with a new video. Until then, goodbye.